Here's a brief overview of the step-by-step process to access and make the most of NIC's campaign feature. First, we'll go over the email notification that agents receive when a campaign is created, which is paired with an in-app notification for existing NIC users. Second, agents will learn how to access campaign details on the NIC platform. Third, agents will learn how to access individual client profiles and information. And finally, agents will learn how they can manage the opportunity details on NIC. Agents will receive an email notification when a campaign is shared with them. The subject line of the campaign email will always be NIC Campaign Alert, followed by the title of the campaign. Upon opening the email, agents will either see one button saying Login, one button saying Join Us, or in this case, two buttons, one that lets you log in normally, and the other allowing you to log in through your SSO provider, which will be different depending on which BGA you are with. If the agent has access to NIC via their distributor, clicking the distributor website login button will transport agents directly to their distributor's website to log in there. To log into NIC, simply type in your email address and password and click the login button. Agents will receive in-app notifications about campaigns. Agents can read the notification message provided by the distributor and click on the notification. When the agent clicks on the in-app notification, they are navigated directly to the leads list and the campaign details. The leads list contains all policy owners that have policies that meet the campaign criteria. This list is automatically created for the agent. Next, navigate to the List Campaign tab to access important campaign information. Campaign details include the following information: the name of the campaign, the campaign criteria, which is used to generate the list, and the campaign instructions, which provide agents with the step-by-step process and information they need to execute the campaign. Other information found on the List Campaign page include relevant campaign documents and contact information. Campaign documents include all documents relevant to the campaign, including sample emails and letters that agents can send to clients, as well as application forms, disclosure forms, and product details. Campaign contacts include department contacts information that support the campaign. This is the department and contact that the agent would call for any questions. To view individual leads and opportunities, agents will start by returning to the List Details page. To select an individual lead, the agent clicks on the policy owner name in the leads list. When the agent clicks on a policy owner's name, they can view the policy owner profile, which will display all life policies and annuities owned by that individual. If the agent clicks the View Details button and scrolls down on the web page, they'll be able to access supplementary data about the policy owner, in addition to policy events, changes, and premiums being tracked. Finally, agents can also easily access relevant documents associated with the policy owner, as well as any client notes on their profile. The agent can utilize this information to further assess the leads. The agent can use the Notes feature to track all client meetings, emails, calls, and other tasks and activities related to the campaign and opportunity.